Overnight, Taji's daughter, Kike, had her first calf. This is Benti, only a few hours old, and already on her feet. And she needs Mom's first rich milk to build up strength. Kike should keep Benti by her side, but first-time elephant mothers don't always have the best instincts. Benti's vision is still blurry. She's found a nipple, but there's no milk for her here. It's her grandma. Taji is quick to correct Benti's mistake. She knows if Benti can't find her mother, she won't last long.